Hey, here's my macros for the day. Not too bad. Stay tuned and you'll be able to see what I ate in order to get these macros. Good morning. Today is Friday and I have for breakfast, I have my 93% ground beef. Put some umami in there and some everything bagel seasoning. This stuff isn't just for bagels. And then I will have my veggies. I have one more serving of them. And then we'll go back to just this for breakfast. Have a good morning. Guys, it's lunchtime. Let me show you what we're having. Are you ready? This is it. Surprise! We're having 6 ounces of pork steak and 2 servings of California blend vegetables. Ha ha, I tricked you. It's the same thing I had yesterday. So let's get it seasoned. We'll put some everything bagel on here. Ha ha ha, you all thought I was gonna do something exciting, didn't you? And then I'm gonna put some salt on here. And I'll put on some of this, what's this stuff? Some kind of something herb blend. And then that's what I'm having. 6 ounces of pork steak and California blend. And tomorrow's meal prep day. I've got everything pulled out and into the freezer. So tomorrow I will get that, all that food cooked. Okay, guys. I've got my chopped up burger and 2 servings of the Normandy blend. We're going to do a half of a serving of Rouse and a half of a serving of Frigo Parmesan cheese. So, got it ready. We're going to put it on the scale here. Half a serving is 63 grams, so I'm going to zero it out. And there's that old hound dog drinking again. He's on steroids, so he's extra thirsty right now. Alright. And now, let's see, we're going to do, hang on here. Let's leave my spoon in it. Okay. So, 14 grams of the Parmesan cheese. And you know I didn't even season this yet, but I'll get there. One thing about grams is they'll sneak up on you. You'll have 9 and all of a sudden you'll have 15. Alright, 14. So, I'm going to put a little bit of Slap Your Mama on here. Just because I like it. I'll put a little salt. And I'm going to put some my Greek seasoning. Then I'm going to throw in gotta throw in a little bit of adobo. Because, you know, it's me. So I got to pack in that flavor. And I'm going to microwave it. And I'll show you how it looks. Hey, this is for tomorrow. But look at this big old thing. That's a jicama. I pulled the sticker off. But that's what's going to look like tomorrow. There's one. And that's the other one. So we're going to use those in our meal prep tomorrow. All right. She's out of the microwave. Get it all stirred up. You know, I only do half a serving of the, pasta sauce. But, man, you put all the other seasoning on there. And you don't need all that extra sauce in there. And then when your vegetables kind of, steam a little bit, you get that liquid. And that kind of spreads out the pasta sauce. So that helps things go further. If I had any, what's that stuff? If I had any, oh my God, yogurt, I could put a little splash of yogurt in there too. That would kind of be a creamy little something or another. Hang on, I'm going to cut up this broccoli. It's a little big. Come here, feller. There we go. All right. So that is going to be my supper. We got the Rouse and the cheese and the meat and the veggies and all the yummy seasoning. Let's just double check. Can't go wrong, but let me just double check. Yep. Don't need nothing else. So there you go. There is your Mediterranean style supper. Have a good night, y'all.